Welcome to the Learn English with Petra channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing self-introduction. Pay close attention and make sure to repeat the phrases after me to practice. Towards the end of the video, there will be questions related to the topic for you to answer. Let's get into the video. Hello, everyone. My name is Petra, and I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to introduce myself to all of you. I was born and raised in India, and I've always had a deep passion for art, literature, and technology. By profession, I'm a graphic designer, and I absolutely love what I do. It's not just a job, it's a creative outlet that allows me to express myself in unique ways. When I'm not studying, you can often find me exploring new hiking trails, trying out new recipes in the kitchen, or reading a captivating novel. I also value kindness, lifelong learning, and making a positive impact on the world, which guide me in both my personal and professional life. I'm truly excited to be a part of this community and look forward to getting to know all of you better. Feel free to reach out, as I'm always up for a good conversation or a new adventure. Thank you for welcoming me, and let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Now answer the questions. 1. What's your name? 2. Where are you from? 3. What do you do? 4. What are your hobbies? 5. Do you have any siblings? Great job, learners. I trust you had a good time during today's lesson. Please share your answers in the comments how many questions you managed to answer. If you found the video enjoyable, kindly hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Let me know in the comments which topic you'd like to focus on in the future. Wishing you a fantastic day, every day.